Hello everyone. Today here we are to learn about something new. And today's our topic is create your own apps on learningapps.org. Let's understand how it works. So first thing we need to do is type learningsapp.org in Google browser, and the first option which we get is the learningapps.org. We need to click on it. The moment we go onto the site, you can see without logging in also you will get all the details. It gives you a detail of what exactly is learningapps.org, and it also gives you a tutorial. This tutorial covers everything related to the app. To experience the best of the learningapps.org, we should log in. So let's log in and see what we get. So the moment you have logged in, you will reach to this page. Nothing has changed, only you can see your account detail has come there. And now when we log into the site, you can see multiple countries. The uh, tool has been utilized by teachers across the world. You can type anything in the search option and you will get the uh, title. So I'll write sports. So let's see if there is something related to sports or not, because it's the Olympic time and you can see there are multiple apps which have been created by the sports teachers across the world. There's another option of browse apps. You can click on that browse apps and you can see all the categories which are available. So let's say I'm a physics teacher, I can just pick the physics category, and you can see on the top right here where my cursor is, you can also see the level. You can change the level as per the requirement, and you can see the content is changing. So I'll take from primary to secondary education for physics class, and let's see if we get any material. Yes, you can see material from different languages, different countries, and we can just choose. Let's see if I get something suitable for my subject. Yes, it says how I measure a quantity, physical quantity. So I'll just pick this. Let's see, this is made by a teacher from England, I guess. So let's see what comes up on screen. Yeah, you can see this is the moment you open on it, it says find the correct answer and then check the solution. So here we need to just find out. So volt and all those things you need to just pick up. So I could see this is related to magnet, and do we have anything related to magnet here? There are so many options available, you can see. So this goes to kilogram. At the moment you can see I'm just clicking on it and I'll get so joules, Tesla, bulb, measurements, volt, watt. So I'll just randomly connect anything and just see what answers we'll get here, whether we'll get the answer also or not. So you can see, and I'll be also showing you how to create such types of apps. So the moment you will click on see, and you can see we are getting the wrong answers if the answer is wrong. This was the option of browse apps, where you can find out different categories of app in different countries and different languages. Next option is create collection. You can also create your own collection uh, of your own app which you have created. There you can also create your own classes, and in the last option, which is my apps, you can see all the apps which are created by you. So now let's start with understanding how to create an app. The moment you click on the option of create app, you will get all these templates. So we'll be seeing one of the template. One is matching pairs. Let's see how to create a game, an app basically. The moment you click on any of the template, you will get multiple examples. So just now what we saw in the physics example, something like this. You can also add audio, you can also add video, and you can also add text and images. So let's create one of the app. So I'll just name it as physics. I'll just name it as physics right at the moment to give you a small demo to all of you. I'll just put it as match the pairs. Okay, and I'll pick an image. So let's say I'll say so the moment you click on image, it will lead you to these sites. You can put URL of your image, you can drag it from your desktop, or you can pick it from the internet. And the ideal example is that you will get a Pixabay option. So you should respect the copyright and try to pick image which is available from Pixabay. So let's search. I'll just type it as a reflection. I'm getting multiple options. So what I'll do is I'll pick okay, this image I am picking it up. So you can see the image has been picked up. So the correct match of this goes to, I'll say, reflection. That's what I'm expecting the students to answer. The second image I'll pick it up is, let's say, glass. And glass refraction is there. Yes, let's see if I could get some image related to that. And yes, I'll pick this image, and I want the students to answer this with refraction. So let's see, I'll add another element, and this time I'll try to add dispersion. Let's see. This is just a small demo so that you'll get an idea about how to go ahead. Definitely you need to explore more. This goes well for the dispersion of light. We know white light splitting into 7 colors is dispersion. So this is a better example. So I pick it up and I mention it as dispersion. Right. So I'm ready now. My app is ready. And there's another option, another additional wrong answer you can add. So I'll just add diffraction here as an additional wrong answer. You can also give an option of whether the matching pair should disappear the moment student has answered. So I'll do it yes, and after that you can attach it one above the other or alongside. I'll leave it at one above the other. The feedback, you can add it up, and let's see how it looks to the student. Just now we saw, and just now we created also. So you can see this is how it will look to the student. Students have to drag, and let's see if I'll just, so I'll also put one wrong answer. So this I'll put it as refraction. I'll put refraction for this. I'll put reflection. Okay, I'll put dispersion for this, and I'll put diffraction for this. You can see the moment if it is wrong, it's not going away. So you need to just click on it. Reflection, again it's not going, so you need to just click, and let's see what happened if it is correct. So you can see students are understanding the concept, and this way the app is saved. So the moment you click on the save app, it goes in your own collection, and the app is ready. The moment you can see, now you can just take the link, copy it, and you can share it with the students. So let's see how will it look to the students. And tada, this is what they will see on their screen. They will have to just work on the concept now. They can't see anything. You can see the red color has come there. Here, if it is right, it just goes away. If it is wrong, it still stays there, and you can see. So it means the answer is not diffraction, it is reflection. And this way students can understand. Now, this was one of the layout, one of the template. Now there are multiple templates also. Let's see which are the other templates. I'll give you a small demo of them also. So there's a group assignment template, and as I told you, for every template there are examples available. So there are some interesting one. I'll just show you one is the horse race. I'll not show you how to create it. I guess you have to explore that, but you need to just see one of the examples. So you can see play alone. They can play alone also, or they can play with the computer as well. It says, do you like your job? I'll say yes, I like, and let's see what happened. It says correct, and yet you can see the horse is moving. This way you can have multiple. Yeah, my mom tells a story every night. I say so what should be coming out of the 4 option? I will write I, which is a wrong statement, and let's see what happened to the horse there. And you can see we are lagging behind, and this way a student will find it very interesting, especially if you're using it in lower classes. Now there's also Kaun Banega Karodpati version, the millionaire game, and you can see you can also create something like this. This is again an example in different language. I've created a game which I'll be showing you right now on the same thing. So you can see different for there are multiple templates available, and for every template there is example available. So let's see. I'll show you the one which I have created. This was fun physics, the matching pair. The second one I'll show you is the millionaire KBC, right? So you can see how it looks to the student. We'll also observe it says light travel in, so if I'll answer correct, it will lead me to the next answer. If I'll answer wrong, let's see if it is correct. It will go on for the next time, and if it is wrong, you can see what comes up. It gives me another option and not quite right, and it asks me to go ahead again. and you can see I have to keep on going ahead. If I want to be the millionaire, I have to answer everything, and towards the end it will lead to the setup. So this was all about a learning app. Try it out, it's very interesting. Share it for others also. So I guess this was all from my end. I hope you have understood something new from today's video. If you have tried and you like the video, please put your comments in the comment box. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.